I'm just ballin', flossing, rolling through my neighborhood, ballin', flossing, rolling through my neighborhood, ballin', flossing, rolling through my neighborhood.
What's the other joint? What was the other joint we're looking at?
Okay, my will presidential, 10 presidential, money presidential, bitches presidential, everything black, so you know I'm presidential.
He gonna hook up in the front center, and he gonna pull at an angle that way.
Riding through the hood with my top down, she know I like it better when the top down. Niggas hating on me cause I'm hot now. No surprise, I know why I'm getting money, yeah. It's a lovely day, so I'ma ride the city. Cup full of something to slow down my senses. These designer shoes cost a nice penny. That's $750, we talk Pacifics. That Rouge gold compliment.
Night vibes. Cruising at altitude. The Lex, you know, Project Lex, you know what it is. Smooth as hell. You hear a little whistling. That's my sunroof. My sunroof was open. I had to. It looked cool as hell having that mug up, but it's probably aggravating as hell. Listen to it on a freaking camera. But yeah, man. Up. Moving around. I just got some gas just now. '93, that good Supreme. Oh, she run like a whole different animal on that '93 box. And handle is superb. Them handles is superb. Oh, what you doing? What you doing? Get up out there. Get up out there. Get up out there. Got a little congestion out of nowhere. Let's take some Scotch Street tonight. Bumpy road right there. Headed back downtown. Well, actually, I passed downtown. But I need to get some gas and I'm gonna pick up some drink from my bar. Quick. With the quickness. That'd be that Tesla right there. Yeah, I'll bust that Tesla up. Hell no. I ain't playing with no electric vehicles right now. Not in this vehicle. But I'll get around his ass. Oh, they playing right now. I don't know what they was doing. car so agile, bro. I swear, bro, this is a hell of an agile sedan, bro. Of course, with the modifications and stuff. I don't even have the sway bar. Bruh, I keep thinking about getting the sway bar. I'm like, bruh, I really don't know, like, how much better it's gonna get. It might, I know it's gonna get better. At least the front one. The front one, like the main one. Get the front sway bar. If I get the front, I'm gonna get both. Get it. Because I'd rather have the full effect. Get that sway bar. It's already agile. I be freaking doop 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 doop. Alright. My destination. Let me see what the light. Let's see what the light. Main lobby right there. Main lobby downtown, Baton Rouge. Crazy big city down here. Big raggedy, we call it. Big raggedy. Go straight. Straight for a second. Hit the block. Don't worry about it. About that. Third Street. A lot of your attention. Your main street in Baton Rouge, downtown Baton Rouge, 3rd Street. That's where you gonna find most of the stuff, man. It's like the popular street out there, 3rd Street. Downtown Baton Rouge, 3rd Street. That's where you wanna be at. From one end to the other, pretty much. Oh snap, got something in the road. Go over here right quick. The block. On the parquet at the Barclays. I'm trying to get my money long as Eastern Parkway. Me and my niggas got reservations. No wait, no hesitation. Non-stop to the money. That's my final destination. Long light, man. What's going on? To the drive. Trying to drive. God dang. I'm going the other way. Alright. Catch y'all ass. I'm about to pull up back to the main lobby, man. I'll holler at y'all. Make sure y'all subscribe, sub to the channel. Got a little late night ride in with me. But it is what it is. I know what it is, bro.